Good morning and good afternoon, everyone from everywhere. Thanks for BIM Coordinator Summit for arranging this valuable summit. Uh, I'm going to talk today for about the different perspective, or not, let's not say different, it's another perspective for what have been said in the previous two valuable presentations about the data, about how to exchange the data, about the power of API and the Power BI and the other tools. So all those data and all those informations and all those tools, how they should be managed, and who should manage all those processes. And this is what I'm going to share with you. It's related to the BIM management as another shape or other shape of the project management. First about me, I believe Mo said a lot of things about me. Thank you for that. I have a lot of years of experience in the BIM field right now. So let's don't go again for that. First, let's talk about BIM management as an expression, as a concept, as it have been acknowledged all over the previous years that project management is essential to any successful project. As we all know, the importance of presence of any project manager for any project, but for there is currently now a specialized type of management which we know as a BIM management, have been involved in the industry, in our current industry, in the digital transformation industry especially. So this BIM management concept shares a lot of things and concepts with the traditional project management that we know, but also it have different scopes and different responsibilities from the traditional project management. So this is what we seek to see today as an overall about the BIM management from this perspective. So if we talk first about what are the similarities, what are the similar things between the BIM management and the traditional project management. As for sure, there are different things and there are similar things. First, if we talk about planning, like normal project management, also in BIM management, there is a must to develop comprehensive plans. So, for example, in BIM management, we all know the detailed BIM management plan, which is known as the BEP, that outline all the modeling processes that should be carried out by all the stakeholders, and it defines who should do every task and to what standards. Also, in addition to multiple documents that are should be prepared and should be shared with all the stakeholders. So planning and doing this plans and sharing these plans with all the project stakeholders is one of the parts that should be covered by the BIM management. Second, it's what's related to the communication. As we know, that effective and clear communication is essential within any project. Same as any project management, as any project manager, the BIM team also works with several teams. So they have to make sure that everyone involved is aware and follows the established processes and the established procedure that also have been agreed from the beginning of the project. So being connected to all the parties across the project and always keeping the good communication and the active communication with all the parties of the project is one of the main rules that already covered or already part of the project management. So it also exists the same with the BIM teams or the BIM people, as we say, for all the teams. Also, it's about monitoring. So, continuous oversight is required to track progress, identifying issues, and maintain alignment with the project goals. So, for BIM, this includes monitoring data accuracy, model integrity, and compliance with standards like the ISO 19650. So, a continuous follow-up for all the project. This is one of the common exercises and the common scope that exist in both the project management, and the same you can find in the BIM management. So let's talk now about some of, I will not say the different, but some specialized scope in the BIM management that maybe not exists the same in the project management, but it will be in a different shape in the BIM management. There are some points specialized for the BIM management that covers managing the digital workflow, commitment to the BIM standard, developing BIM documentation, the training and support, and clash detection and resolution, and finally, the quality control. For example, if we are going to talk about managing the data exchange for the project, and as I said, we heard a lot today about the importance of the data and the exchange of the data between all the parties of the project, and how it's very important, and how to make it more smooth as you can. And I believe my colleagues have explored a lot of solutions and tools and different tools that expedite and maintain this exchange. So this is one of the effective, the important one of the important tasks that are done by the BIM management. So if we talk about a cloud-based platform like Autodesk Construction Cloud for the SEC, as it's called. So when you maintain a real-time collaboration, you are going to remove delays brought by misunderstanding or out-of-date information that have been exchanged between any of two parties in the project. Next is a commitment to the BIM standard, as this is one of the important characteristic of the BIM management, is to adherence to the international standards, as we said, the ISO 19650, which covers all the stages from for the project, from the design through the construction, and even into the operation. So these standards offer a framework of information management, and this is the role of the BIM management to make sure that the project is following that standard and what is mentioned in those documents. If we talk about the development of the documentation, this is one of the main tasks and the main important responsibilities in the BIM management role. So there are a lot of data, a lot of documents that should be prepared and should be shared within the BIM people in the project, as I said, like the BEP, the MIDP, DITP, and for sure mainly the data exchange protocols, as these documents are the roadmaps that ensure that all stakeholders are aligned, and the project goals are achieved efficiently. One of the main specific responsibilities for the BIM data is the training and the support. So you have here another responsibility that beyond the technical responsibilities is to ensure that all the team members are proficient in using the BIM tools and the process. This involves conducting training sessions and providing ongoing support to enhance the team capabilities. So you are quite sure that all the team are using the tools, the software, the platforms that serve the BIM workflow. So you make sure that all the team can use these tools effectively, and you should give them a continuous support for any issues, for any problems that they may face. As for example, the designers, maybe they are a normal user for some of the BIM software, but they are going to face some sophisticated problems, so they have to go back to a BIM management team or a BIM team that can help them to solve this issue that they have faced. As we all know, for the clash detection and resolution, this is one of the main benefits of using the whole process of the BIM. So, for during the BIM, we use sophisticated clash detection procedures and tools to find and resolve the conflicts in the project in an early stages, as we seeking that the risk of expensive on-site problems is decreased. And this happens when we classify and prioritize and resolve the conflict from early stage, not wait to the on-site, or not to wait to the early stage of the design. And this is an effective part of the BIM management as a rule inside any project. Uh, so again, for the quality control, it's maintaining the integrity of BIM models is a continuous focus in BIM management. So you have to make sure that models stay correct, current, and adhere to project standards. A quality check is conducted on a regular basis. So the BIM management team are doing a continuous check and a continuous evaluation for the models, for the documents, for the process, for the data exchange procedure itself, to make sure that everything is work correctly and according to what have been agreed and what have been mentioned in the document that have been shared from the beginning of the projects. So we know now that we have specific rules for the BIM management, but what the value, the value of the proper BIM management if we achieved the proper BIM management in our field. First, it's related to an enhanced collaboration. As for the cloud-based tools, it ensures that all stakeholders work from the same information to reduce any miscommunication. And this is what we have been listening for the previous couple of hours, the importance of the data and the importance of the exchanging those data, and how to make it more easier for the data exchange. Second is the increased efficiency. So the streamlined workflows according to the agreed and shared documents save time and resources. And this is one of the KPI, I believe, for any BIM management through the construction projects. Then for reducing the risks, when we have a proactive clash detection and a resolution that prevent any costly errors, as we said in the early stages of the project, this is one of the big values for doing a proper BIM management. And also better outcomes. Always the results are what is required. So the data-driven decision making leads to higher quality decisions and smoother project delivery, as the better design, as the data are available and accurate. So all your decisions and all your actions are correct, and you are going to achieve a better outcome from your process. As an overall, the core of BIM management, it's about the data, the technology, and the leadership. So BIM management is a revolutionary approach that transfers the way construction projects are delivered by combining, as I said, technology, teamwork, and leadership. It is more than just a specialized type of project management. BIM management is essential to project success. So when you're doing a correct and effective BIM management, this will enhance, as we said, the performance of your project, and for sure it will end by a better result in the project as an overall for all the stakeholders, starting from the client and the consultants, contractor, and even the operator of any project. And as a wrap up for our presentation here, that BIM management stands out as an important field that bridge the gap between the traditional project management and the innovative demands of modern construction, as the construction industry keeps moving toward digital transformation. Yes, it's indeed an alternative form of project management that is establishing itself as an essential element of the industry future. Thank you all for attending all this. Thank you all for attending the presentation, and we are going to wait for the panel discussion after the end of the presentation to cover all your questions. And I hope you will have a good day for the rest of the presentations. Thank you.